Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure ETS2 is fully updated and that you have a working Steam account. This prevents version mismatch errors. Once done, back up your profile and any mods so you can restore if needed. Next, download the Trucker's MP launcher or your chosen multiplayer mod, register an account, and verify your email. This step is critical because the launcher checks game integrity and enforces the exact game version required for online play. Once the launcher is installed, verify ETS2 file integrity in Steam to remove conflicting files. Incompatible mods are the most common failure cause. Then configure network settings. Allow the launcher and ETS2 through your firewall and router, and if needed, forward the specified UDP ports to reduce latency and connection drops. Make sure the launcher recognizes your DLC and licenses so you can join servers without permission issues. Now launch ETS2 using the multiplayer launcher, choose a server region and click Join. The launcher will patch or block you if versions differ. Once inside, set up voice or text chat and follow server rules for convoys and cargo to avoid kicks. Drive and enjoy synchronized traffic and player cargo. If you cannot connect, first check for a version mismatch between Steam and the launcher. Also temporarily disable firewall/antivirus to test. Then reinstall the launcher if needed. This fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.